drinking, kids be sipping, guys be smoking, girls be smoking too, men be killing, some be raping. Look, the party people generation is here. With a now number you dying every year. Tryna make a living but stay in the street, killing the dreams, living daily like it is what it is. Now they're living up today. They're living up today. It's driving me mad. The word of today now is upside down. People are so weird, I'm tryna figure it out. People are too fast, they're running for the crown. Youth are so crazy, some are so lazy. All they wanna do is just to make more babies. Some of them just wanna drink and be wasted. The definition of being happy, be naked. The government just made a room for abortion. Like networking, every youth tryna log in. Guys are selling their bodies just to make a living. Guys are doing whatever it takes just to feed it. Young drug dealers, I just can't believe it. Killing at 10 though with a bad feeling. At the end of the day we claim he knowing. Now they're living up today. They're living up today. It's loving me mad. Now they're living up today. They're living up today. It's loving me mad. Fathers raping their kids, claiming it's a cure. It seems like we have all forgotten about taboo. After that they claim they'll kill them if they sue. Look, I think 50-50 just brought more abusing. Night after night, one woman we're losing. Day after day, one woman we're losing. Day after day, one woman we're losing. Nowadays, girls love the fathers all drinking. Nowadays, boys are so smoky like chimneys. Don't get me wrong, I ain't saying stop smoking. Now they're living up today. They're living up today. It's driving me mad. Nowadays life has changed, please believe me. Nowadays life is tough, please believe me. Nowadays life is rough, please believe me. Believe me. Now